TFNN. Headline News Update.
Everybody, I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 2 hours left to go in the trading day. Let's check in on the markets as quite a negative day across the board. Dow Jones negative 544 points. You heard that right, trading under 24,000, 23,903. S&P is negative by 46, trading at 26,025. And the NASDAQ negative by 139 points, trading at 6988. You get the gold contract up about $10, trading at $13.33. Dollar index down 200 ticks, trading at 95.05. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of those futures markets. Before we do, actually take a look at the VIX. So as it would make sense, as this market has been escalating, accelerating to the downside, VIX climbing 1880 currently on that VIX. Now let's jump over and take a look at some of these markets. NASDAQ 100. So early this morning, we're up there at 6707. We're now below 6,500. Even earlier, 6:30 a.m., we're at 6717. We're now 220 points below that level. Pretty remarkable when you talk about 67 points being 1%. So you are at over 3% negative from where we were pre-market. S&P 500 currently trading 2624. We were up at almost 2690 this morning. You're talking about 65 S&P 500 points from early this morning. Dow Jones currently trading 23,855. We're up there at almost 24,600 this morning. You're talking about almost 750 points to the downside in the Dow. Pretty remarkable. Gold contract, a little bit of an inverse relationship to the markets. Gold climbing throughout the day, currently trading 1333.32. Crude oil with some volatility in both directions as well, currently trading at 67.83. And Bitcoin, a little bit of volatility to the downside, only about a $200 to $250 trading range though, currently trading 94.14. So what kind of stocks are moving in this market? Well, with the NASDAQ, let's just jump over percentage-wise. So check out those percentages. You get the Dow down 2.32%. You get the S&P negative 1.45%, and you have the NASDAQ down over 2%. And as we jump back just to take a look, some of the biggest losers out there will jump to Boeing down over 4% currently. You got Google down 4% currently. You got Amazon down 3.7% currently. Let's jump around. Microsoft down over 2%. And we'll finish it out with Apple down about 1.6%. Should be an interesting end of the afternoon. Stay tuned. David White coming up right now, folks, at TFNN. Have a great afternoon.